Welcome to MaidTV.com. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Chin Reyes.
Okay.
From the Philippines, single, and 50 years old.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
Yeah,
Immediately?
immediately, ma'am.
Okay. You're on a tourist visa, right?
Yeah, I'm tourist visa here.
Okay. Do you have
Dubai.
relatives here in UAE?
Yeah, I have 5 relatives here in UAE.
Okay. Please describe your last job. What was your last job?
My last job is I'm a tourist in the Philippines, and I love working. Even a nanny housekeeper.
Okay. So aside from being a therapist, what other experiences you have? Work experiences? Did you
Yeah.
work as a nursing attendant? And
Yes, ma'am. I've been
okay.
working as a nursing attendant because I've been studying nursing and just only on third year course. And applying nursing assistant in a hospital. I've been a carer too in different places like UK and Australia.
Okay. So what were your duties and responsibilities as a nursing attendant in a hospital, in the hospital?
Yeah, I've been working there as a nursing attendant, assisting the doctors in some problem and just changing linen, just like that. Sometimes we cure the illness person, the sick person, the older lady, the nanny, or some kids that they want some help, just like that.
Okay. So what did you like most about your last job and why?
Yeah, my last job, serving people is the best in our part. Help people just like that. Yeah, I love helping people.
Okay. So you like to work as a housemaid and a nanny?
Yeah, I can do that.
Describe in details how are you going to perform your tasks for each location in the house. How are you going to maintain the cleanliness of the house?
Yeah.
Describe to me how are you going to clean the house. Where are you going to start?
Yeah, I'm going to start cleaning the house, the ceiling.
Okay.
Ceiling is the first, second is the wall, then the third is the closet, something the mga older shelves.
Okay.
In and out, especially if my employer want me to clean that part, it's okay for me. But the last is the floor.
So which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Yeah, I start cleaning the house, the kitchen, because it's kitchen is the most cleaning part because we made a food there that we eat, and the second is the living room, the next bedroom, and the last is the toilets.
Okay, the toilet. Toilet. It's important to keep the toilet clean. How many times are you going to clean the toilet?
Oh, always. The toilet's always clean.
So how many times a day are you going to clean it?
It depends.
It depends.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not
Someone
around?
came in my place or my employer place. I called my employer first to know why there's someone who came here in my house, or in our house.
Okay. So you have to call your employer first.
Yeah, call the employer first
To confirm from them.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Asian
kind of
foods.
foods?
Yeah.
Asian foods. Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
willing to learn how to cook other
Yeah,
cuisines?
I'm really pleased to learn.
Okay. And can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So as a nanny, what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Yeah, playing time, reading story books, just like that. Yeah.
Okay. So what do children like best about you?
Yeah, I'm a cool person, love kids.
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
Yeah, as the parents first, and give best cure for them.
Okay, so you have to call your employer to inform them what happened.
Yes, ma'am.
But you're going to give first aid first.
Yes.
Okay. So as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
If necessary.
Okay, so
Yeah.
give example. When are you going to say no to a child?
If you say bad words, no, don't do that.
Okay.
It's bad.
So if it is bad, you will say no. If
Yeah.
it is good, then
But
yes.
don't hurt them.
Okay.
Love them, okay, and
Okay.
play them.
The child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Entertain the child with reading, just like playing,
Mm-hmm.
and doing some activities that she wants or he wants. Just like that.
Okay. So, you will keep them busy
Yeah, keep
until
them
dinner
busy
time. Okay. What kind of a housemaid and a nanny are you? Describe yourself.
Yeah, I'm reliable, hardworking nanny, housekeeper, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm trustworthy, honest,
Okay.
and as someone who can get me here as a nanny, I'll be able to please you because I introduced that I'm good person and I'm Catholic. I will do my best, man.
Okay. So, please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why?
Ma'am, sir, please accept me because I'm here now. I believe in myself that I can do whatever you want,
Mm-hmm.
and I will do my best as I can.
Okay, good. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from
Okay.
HCV.com. Thank you.
Yeah.